Hello, this is again DMV Test Buddy. The more vehicles participate in the situation on the road, the more difficult it is to understand the sequence of their passage of the intersection. But you can't hesitate here because you can create an emergency situation for other participants in the movement. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. In what sequence will the vehicles pass the intersection? A. Blue car, red car, tram. B. Tram, red car, blue car. Tram, blue car, red car. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So let's find out. In order to understand the situation, we must correctly evaluate the intersection that we see. To do this, it is very important to pay attention to priority signs or traffic lights at the intersection. In this case, we see that the intersection is regulated by priority signs and all three vehicles move along the main road. At the same time, two cars show turns while the tram moves straight. In this case, two cars are dispersed according to the rule of interference on the right, as they are on equivalent roads. The red car should give way to blue, and both of them are obliged to give way to tram moving along the main road. Thus, the sequence will be as follows. First, the intersection will pass the tram, then a blue car, and a red car will drive the last. So, confess, which of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.